It is the fall out in the garden and it is end of October. We have cooler nights and less sun. So we are going to be planting garlic in a grow bag on my container balcony garden. And I just want to show you the process of how I will go about that. I have two varieties of garlic. This is the Russian red variety, and then we have the music variety. They are both hardneck varieties. There is hardneck and softneck. Now these are the hardneck. So they basically have a longer stem and they're hard at the neck. And you'll want to, if you're in a colder climate that has snow and winter, you would want to grow hardneck varieties since they'll survive more in the cold. I have old potting mix here that I'm going to be reusing, and then also I have new potting mix over in that container. Well, I'll be mixing some of the new stuff and also add some fertilizer so it has some nice nutrients to grow into. The garlic that I got was from my local nursery. You can buy it online, but we're not able to buy garlic online, so we have to buy it from any local source. I would recommend, if you have a garden nursery or a center, to definitely check to see what they have available in your area, because most varieties will basically be great for the area that you're in. So there's still a bunch of roots in here, and this was one of the pepper plants that I had, so I need to pull out those roots as well. But I will be composting these. I cut the stem off, and I'm gonna so I do have some of the other pots that I'm gonna just let the roots overwinter, and then I'll do the cleanup in the spring. It is okay if you do have some roots that are in the soil. It will decompose. But I'm basically going to use most of the new potting mix. You can reuse potting mix every year. You just have to make sure you put the nutrients back in. I usually like to put some worm castings, or you can use any all-purpose fertilizer. In this crate here, this is all new potting soil that I have, so I will be mixing this with the other potting mix. I am going to sprinkle just a little bit of all-purpose fertilizer. This is a slow release fertilizer, and I'm going to mix in. I want to give them a good boost while they're growing their roots over the winter. Now, when you're planting garlic, you don't want to plant the whole clove like that. What you'll want to do is actually break apart the bulbs, and then you plant each individual bulb. Here's what they look like when you separate the clove, and here's the middle hardneck piece. Now, with hardneck garlic, they are a lot bigger cloves, and there's less. So there was about four or five cloves per garlic. So I will be planting one variety in the one container and then the other. You'll want to keep the wrapper on so then they don't rot while they're in the ground. So what I'm going to do is just dig down about 6 to 4 inches, and then we'll put the garlic down in the holes. Now I'm going to be planting them a little densely just because I have more, and since it's a smaller container, they're not going to grow as big. So I do recommend, if you are going to grow garlic, to separate and spread them out a little farther. But you can grow garlic in a container. And when you're planting garlic, you'll want to make sure that you plant this side down and then the pointy side up, because this is where the garlic will have the green shoots come out. So you'll take this garlic and you'll just stick it in. So I think I'll do 6 garlic in here, and then I'll plant these 2 in another grow bag. These variety of garlic are the Russian Reds. I haven't tried either of the Music or the Russian Red, but these are a lot smaller cloves compared to the Music ones. So I probably will need another container. I have a total of 12 cloves. So if I do, let's see. And when you are planting garlic, you will want to plant the best looking cloves and the bigger cloves. So then you'll get a better yield. Let's see how many I can plant here. I might be able to plant a little bit more if I do a little bit densely. Yeah, I think that'll work. Next thing I'll do is I will need to mulch the top and water in. So when you're mulching, you want to make sure you mulch pretty heavily if you live into a colder zone. I'm in a zone 6B in Idaho, so our winters can get pretty cold. I'm using shredded wood shavings. You can use straw, leaf mold, or leaves, whatever you have on hand. This is just what we had. This just helps insulate the garlic while it's growing its root system. Now it's time for the water. Since the potting mix was just a little dry, I'm going to deep water pretty thoroughly for each pot. Now throughout the winter, you will want to water your garlic just a little bit. Now, if the ground is frozen, don't water. But since I mulched, I shouldn't have to water too much. You just don't want them to dry out or water them too much where they will rot. And that is how I plant garlic over the winter. So stay tuned for updates that I will be posting throughout its growth cycle. And if you have any questions about growing garlic yourself, let me know in the comments. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.